Okay, so today I'm going to introduce the RIDGES strategy, which is an acronym for problem solving. So the acronym stands for R is for reading it or going over the entire problem. I is identify. Look through the problem to figure out what it is you need to find out. D is for draw a picture. G is generate a word statement described in words how to solve the problem. E stands for equation. Using your word statement, write a mathematical equation. And then S is for solve. So you can write a sentence, put a box around your answer. So for this, I would include the handout. You can either keep it in a notebook or keep it in your desk so that you can remember the acronym. So for the first problem, the question says, there are 12 balls in a bucket. 8 of the balls are baseballs. How many balls are not baseballs? So what we need to find out is out of those 12 balls, how many are not baseballs? So we'll draw a little lovely picture here, and to save time, I already got it done. So I started off with, I had 12 balls all together. Given the information and some colors, we can create 8 baseballs out of the 12 total. And then I used an orange to color them in, representing basketballs. So generate a word statement or describe in words how to solve the problem. So the word statement would read, how many balls are not baseballs? If there are 12 balls and 8 of them are baseballs, that means we have 12 minus 8. So using this statement, we can write the mathematical equation, which I have here on the card, which is really hard to see. It's 12 minus 8. And we get the answer of 4, which you can see in the visual that 4 of these balls are basketballs, or not baseballs. And then here's the equation. There are 4 balls that are not baseballs. So that's problem number 1. Problem number 2 reads, John has 8 red apples and 12 green apples. He wants to split them equally among his 3 friends. How many apples should he give each friend? So on this one, I set it up and I had John's apples. And you can see that he has 6 of the red apples and 12 of the green apples. But to go through the steps of the acronym, remember, read it, which we just did. Identify. Look through the problem to figure out what it is you need to find out. So what do we need to find out in this question? We need to find out how many apples John can give each friend. So going back to the picture that I drew, I have 6 of the red, 12 of the green. And so we need to generate the word statement, describing in words how to solve the problem. Well, we know we have 6 apples plus 12 apples is going to give you 18 altogether. But we're not done yet. We need to divide or give out all those apples to 3 of his friends. So the equation would be up here in the corner, which is hard to see. 18 divided by 3, which is 6. Or you can simply put 1, 2, 3, red, 4, 5, 6. And then you can also do the 12 divided among the 3 groups. So to get the answer in a sentence, put a box around it. Each person gets 6 apples. The third question says, Emmy has $8. She earned 6 more dollars. How many dollars does she have now? So we just read through the entire problem. That's the R. The I, identify. Look through the problem to figure out what it is you need to find out. We need to find out how many dollars Emmy has now. So we're going to draw a picture. Here's Emmy. She's got her $8 bills. Now we're going to describe in words how to solve it. So we got 8. She gets 6 more. So she has her $8. And she adds 6 more to her total. So the equation would be 8 plus 6, which gets you 14. So That means Emmy has $14 altogether. This is a fun strategy that I read up and enjoy, and I hope to utilize it a little bit further in my career.